Now we will enter into our Ramayana. We are in which Kanda?
Balakanda.
No, why Balakanda? Balakanda was over. Now we are in Ayodhya Kanda. And last week Sita Mata convinced Ramji and they were happy that Ramji said that we will give away all our wealth to the poor and needy and then we quickly make a move to the forest. So when Sita Mata and Ramji were talking, actually Lakshmana was waiting outside and he overheard the conversation. So now he is very clear. For Sita Mata only Ramji convinced that he didn't want to take her along. So what about myself? He will never take me along. So he thought when Ramji said that we will give away our wealth, they were coming out of the room. So immediately Ramji could not walk. There was something holding. So Lakshmana fell on his feet and he held tightly so that Ramji was not moving. He was shocked. So then he understood, okay, Lakshmana. Then Lakshmana was saying, brother, I want to come along with you. I will come. So now Ramji could not move. So he is telling his version. I will also come and I will not bother with this great bow. I will clear out the difficult path of the forest and I will fetch food for you and whatever. I will guard you in the night and I will do whatever else is required. For me, this royal life is nothing. So when compared to be with you. So he said that Ramji said so many things to stop him, but Lakshmana he was very stubborn and he was telling, earlier you told me that I have to be with you. Now why are you stopping? So when did Ramji say? He said when he came to know that Dasharatha was going to coronate Ramji, he said in the presence of Kausalya Mata and Sumitra were also there. He said, Lakshmana, we both will rule the empire. Right? He said it. At that time you said that I have to be with you. Now why are you not allowing me to the exile? Whether it is an empire or exile, I will be with you. So Lakshmana was saying. And then Ramji said, he argued that you have to, the good thing you can do to me is you have to stay in Ayodhya for Kausalya Mata. Then Lakshmana also countered. He said, I know Bharat will take good care of Kausalya Mata and Sumitra also. See how he is saying. Again he will say Sumitra, so that's why he is only telling. So Bharat will take good care of him. Not because of me. If I am here or not also, he is not bothered because he knew your power. So that is why he will take good care of Kausalya Mata. He said. And then Ramji was telling, listening to elders is a virtue, you do it, that is the dharma. Then again he also pointed that Kausalya Mata had 1,000 villages in her hand. So she has adequate her wealth. So she is not financially dependent on anybody and she can take care of 1,000 lakhs of people like me and my mother. So let's not worry. And you are the person who need me now than Kausalya Mata. I will come and I will do whatever is required for you. I will walk in front of you and Sita Mata and I will clear the path. So then Ramji understood. I know your devotion towards me and affection. I know that. And Lakshmana said that if you don't take me along, I will die here only. So Ramji said that I know your affection towards me. Okay, you also come along with me and go and take the consent and blessings from your near and dear, like his mother, his wife, everybody. Go and tell them. So before that, Ramji also said that we have to go to the forest. For that, is there any packing required for them? No. Or they have to go as ascetics, like tapasvis. So they have to take only bow and arrows and astras along with them. So he said that we have 2 celestial bows and 2 quivers with inexhaustible arrows. So the arrows will not get exhausted. Quiver is where the arrows are there. So and a sword is there. So they are in Vasishtha Muni's house. Go and fetch them. They are being worshipped in Vasishtha Muni's house. So go and fetch them. we will take them along and also call Suyagnya. Remember, Suyagnya is Vasishtha Muni's son. He is like in Devatas, how is Indra? So in Brahmins, Suyagnya is like that. So also ask him to come, and his wife also. Then Lakshmana thought that okay, I have to go and fetch. We have to leave to the forest. So he went. Now see why why Ramji is going to uphold dharma, and why Sita Mata is going. She is thinking that whatever Ramji is doing, she is supposed to do. Automatically applies to her also. But nothing is required for Lakshmana. So Lakshmana is at the prime of his youth and he can enjoy. He is the prince, so he can enjoy all the privileges in Ayodhya. But Lakshmana insisted and said that he is exchanging his royal life with the hardships and difficulties in the forest only to be with Ramji. So that was the devotion, commitment towards Ram. And we also listened. First, what was the Lakshmana's reaction? He said that you ought to rule this and you imprison Dasharatha also. You are not supposed to go. You stay here only. That was Lakshmana's reaction. But now, at the end, who is the decision maker? Ramji. So whatever is Ramji's decision, if he is ready, if he wishes to go to forest, he is there with him. He expressed his feeling, but he is not insisting, right? He cannot stop him. So he is following Ramji's decision. So that was the love. And next, Valmiki ji dedicated one complete sarga to explain what are the preparations they made to go to the forest. The preparations are not for how and what to take, how and what to give. They have a lot to give away. See, Sita Mata's, and when Suyagnya came, Ramji bowed to him and said that we want to give away all the wealth. I want to give 1,000 elephants to you, and my elephant, his elephant was given by his maternal uncle. The elephant's name is Satrunjaya. So I want to give away Satrunjaya also. Please accept. And he is asking, see, he is not donating just as he wished. He is thinking what they need, and according to their eligibility only Ramji is donating. See, for Suyagnya, he has given all the cows and elephants and his gold couch ornaments kind of, and to his wife Sita Mata's golden jewelry, precious gems and all they have given. And also he said to Lakshmana, please do take care of the Brahmins who are there in Kausalya Mata's palace. There are old Brahmins who are doing all the rituals in Kausalya Mata's palace. Please donate thousands of cows, heaps of gold coins and wealth to them. And there were brahmacharis, the young boys who are not married and they are doing Gayatri. You give them away some of the wealth to them also. And then he remembered there is a charioteer called Chitraratha. To him also give a lot of wealth and cows. And then he did not forget his servants, dependents who are taking care in the palace. And he also asked Lakshmana, make sure that all these servants get enough heaps of wealth and gold coins, because he will not be there for rest 14 years. So they should not suffer. So give away that also. So along with Lakshmana, Sita Mata, Ramji, they have distributed the wealth. And then there came, by listening to this, there was an old poor rishi called Trijata. He came. He was walking with a stick actually. He was so poor and weak also. He came to Ramji and said that I came to know that you are giving away your wealth. I am very, very poor, and now we are living in an ashram which is in the forest, and we are eating the leftover grains. He had many children. So we are starving. So give us some wealth. Then Ramji, he made a lighter note. Suyagnya. So Trichata was walking with the stick, no? So Ramji made a he was making it a lighter. He said that throw your stick. Now still 1,000 cows are left with me. I did not donate them, so throw into the group your stick into the group of the cows. The space which is occupied by the cows till the stick reaches, no. So all those cows will be yours. So he said that, and also he asked, this is just a joke, parihasa, and he embraced Trichata and gave a huge herd of cattle. And he also said, if you want some more, please tell me, I will give that also. But he was very happy. So, and he went to his ashrama by blessing Ramji. So that was the mind. With this small story, we can understand how Ramji is thinking. He is not crying. He was not in sorrow. He was enjoying. He is very clear in his next steps, what to be done, what to do. So after giving away all the wealth, now Ramji, Lakshmana and Sita Mata, without the royal attire, no the crown on his head, they were in normal dresses. They came out of their palace and they want to go to Dasharatha. They want to seek the blessings of Dasharatha. They are going to Kaikeyi Mata's palace. Now the news reached to the people of Ayodhya. Now the streets were packed. The people were crying and they were like, how the pain of the people, Valmiki ji explains, it is like the aquatic animals in the pond. The pain of the animals will be, in summer, if the water dries up, what is the situation of the aquatic animals in the pond? That was the pain of the Ayodhya people. And they were, many people, they reached the top of the buildings and they were looking at Ramji. They wanted to see and they were cursing Dasharatha, Kaikeyi. If Ram is not there, we will also not live in Ayodhya. Wherever Ram goes, that will be the city, even though it is forest. And and this deserted city will become the forest. Because nobody will be there to take care of it, and this city, let Kaikeyi rule the deserted city with covered with dust and drained with no wealth and food grains and infested with rats. So let Kaikeyi rule it. Let us all go along with Ram. That was the talk going on, and Ramji overheard all these things, and then slowly they reached the palace. There Sumantra was there. So Ramji asked Sumantra to inform Dasharatha that all the three came to seek blessings of Dasharatha. Even though Dasharatha was in deep pain, he did not invite them into the private chambers. He wanted to talk his heart in the court, in front of the people, in the public court. So that's why he said, let them wait, I will come. So what Dasharatha will be talking, let's see in the next class. Do you remember in Balakanda, when Tataka, Malada and Karusha were actually very prosperous cities? Do you remember? But when Tataka started her atrocities and torturing people, they all went away. So those prosperous cities became deserted. Like that, they want the people in Ayodhya want to leave away Ayodhya and go along with Ram. Okay, morals.
Man, what is Ramji's elephant's name?
Shatrunjaya. It was gifted by whom?
His maternal uncle.
Correct. So quiz is over. Today I am not posting the quiz then. Okay, now morals, kids.
Stay satisfied.
What?
Stay satisfied.
Stay satisfied with what?
Count.
According to their rank and eligibility, you have to donate. Ramji is not donating just like that. For who was poor, for them. If a person is feeling thirsty, if a person is thirsty, we will not gift him a fridge. We will gift him a bottle, right? Okay, carry on.
Donating.
Okay, donation is over. Donate.
Keep the thing with your
Shatrunjaya, Manvit, now you have to say morals.
What other people need.
Yes. And see, Kaikeyi Mata gave, she gave importance to her personal interest than the welfare of, irrespective of the welfare of the people. That is why people are not satisfied. When you are in power, you have to keep all your personal interests aside and look after people who are dependent on you. If you are a class monitor, you should not think that today I am lazy, I will not do my job. No, your personal interests are aside. Right?
Because Lakshmana had more wealth and everything, but he want to go to forest with Ram and Sita.
He wants to support dharma, serve dharma. The very embodiment of dharma is Ramji. Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. So, if you want to see dharma, that is Ramji. And did you get a doubt why Lakshmana is going by leaving Urmila? Ramji is saying wife and husband should be together. Did you get a doubt?
Yes.
In Shastras, see, Ram doesn't. Lakshmana cannot live without Rama, that we know. And in Shastras also, serving Jeshta is the elder son, elder daughter. Jeshta is the elder one in the family, is like a tapas. 14 years of tapas, phalam, the result of tapas he will get, Lakshmana will get. So that's why he can go. That is why Ramji agreed. But still he insisted to stay in Ayodhya, and he knew that Lakshmana cannot live without serving Ramji. So that is why he agreed. Okay.
Mom, did Urmila and Lakshmana go forest?
Yes. Agreed. And there is no discussion. In Valmiki Ramayana, they did not talk about Urmila, but when we see in the serials and all, there is no opposing.